So in this video today, I will talk about um, the age range and the particular digital skill that you can learn depending on the age that you are. I hear some persons call me, they'll be like, I want my children to go into tech. They too should learn some tech skill, but they are still in school, they are still very young. Should they start learning tech now? I get statements like that from some of my friends. And I also get statements from some persons. They say, I'm in school, I'm in secondary school, almost finishing, or some of them say I'm in the university, but I want to go into tech. Can I go into tech? Which area should I go into? You know? And in that same vein, I also still get comments from people who are working class. They are working already, but because they want to also take advantage of the skill that they can learn in the tech industry, they still also get ask me a question. While at the same vein, I also still get um, comments from people who are within their 50s, 60s. They be like, what can I do in tech that will benefit me? So I am doing this video to answer all these questions. So now I will take everything according to the age range. So if you fall within any of this age range, the kind of tech skills that you can learn, I will list them. So I typed in some here. So first, the skills that you will learn is based on your cognitive and practical abilities. Good. So let's just go straight. So if you are within the age range of 8 to 12 years, that is children, no teenagers, if you are within that age range, the skill that you can learn includes you can learn basic coding skills. You can use visual tools online. There are so many visual tools online that you can log in. They give you opportunity to learn codes. You type in your code and you see the output. So you can learn basic coding with visual tools. Another area is you can learn digital literacy. You need to know the things that you need to know about internet. You need to know how to safely use internet. You need to know basic typing skills. You still, before you do anything in technology, you need to know how to type first. Know basic typing skills and also basic graphic design. You should know basic graphic design, right? Learn how to use CorelDRAW. Learn how to use Adobe Illustrator and any other graphic design software that is out there. Learn how to use them. At this age range, you should be able to learn basic graphic design. And another area that you can still learn within this age range is game design fundamentals, right? Introduction to robotics and programming, right? Using like Lego or Mindstorms and any other platform out there. Good. So why did I choose all these digital skills for you to learn within this age range? It is because children in this age range are naturally curious and can quickly pick up visual interactive skills that combine fun and learning. Okay, so if you are within the age range of 13 and 18 years, that is, you are a teenager now proper. So below are the skills that you can pick from. You don't necessarily need to learn all of them, but you can pick from them, right? So number one, web development basics. Learn web development basics. Learn your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and everything that you need to know about web development. You can learn and pursue a career in that line. Another one that you can possibly learn is mobile application development. You can learn mobile application development, learn everything that you need to know to be able to do well as a mobile application developer. Because at this age range, you are ready mentally to take any challenge that you face in that line. And also, at this age range, you can learn advanced graphic design. and photo editing, right? Photoshop, Illustrators. You can learn advanced graphic design within this age range. Another thing is you can also, if you don't like graphic designing, you can go for video editing and content creation. Video editing and content creation, using tools like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, anyone there is out there. So at this age range as well, you can also still do social media management and analytics. You can do social media management and analytics. Now, why did I choose all this? And another thing before we go, you can also still do cybersecurity fundamentals, right? E.g., ethical hacking, right? And why did I choose all these digital skills for you if you are within this age range? It is simply because teenagers are tech savvy. They are tech savvy and can grab abstract concepts like programming and design logic. They are also active on social media, making skills like content creation relatable, right? So that is that. If you are within the age range of 19 and 30, if you are within the age range of 19 and 30 years, that is you are a young adult. So below are the skills, the digital skills that you can pick from. You can decide to know all of them if you want to know all of them, but I would advise you pick one. So number one of it is you can decide to be a full stack web developer, right? You can do full stack web development. When I say full stack, it simply means you will know front end, you will know back end, right? That is, when you visit a website, everything you see at the front of the site that you click, that you scroll through, pictures and text, is people who are in charge of front end that usually do all that. But the APIs, all the other things that happen behind the scene that you don't see, is people who do back end that handles all that. But because you are a full stack developer, you handle everything. You will learn how to handle everything. So you can be a full stack web developer. Another option that you can also learn within this age range is you can be a digital marketer. You can do digital marketing, right? And in digital marketing, you will know SEO, search engine optimization. You need to know how to optimize search engine so that people can come into your content, people can come into your blog, you can attract traction into your blogs, into anything you put online. And you also know social media ads, email marketing, everything that concerns digital marketing. You can learn all those. And also another area that you can still learn is UI UX design, right? UI UX design using Figma or Adobe XD, depending on the one you want. So you can learn any of those. So another area again is data analysis and visualization. Data analysis and visualization. In this area, you know how to use Excel, you know how to use Power BI, you know how to use Tableau. These are tools that you have to learn to be able to do data analysis and visualization properly. You see, and at this age range, you can also do AI and machine learning, right? AI and machine learning basics, right? There you learn about Python, you learn about TensorFlow. Good. So I choose all these digital skills for that age range simply because young adults are often seeking career opportunities or entrepreneurial paths. So career-oriented digital skills are most beneficial. It will help you. Any of this skill will help you forge a path, will create a career path for you. So that's why I choose that path. You will do well there. So if you are within the age range of 31 and 45, these are the skills you can pick from any of these ones I want to mention. You should know project management tools, because at this age you are in your mid-career, right? You are a professional. Some of them are working, some of them already have something they are doing, and because you are already working, there are possibilities that you're already occupying leadership positions. Good. So you should know project management tools. Know how to use all. There are so many project management tools. Decide which one you want to pick. which one you want to learn. Another area is productivity software, right? You should have the knowledge of using advanced productivity software like Excel, Google Workspace, Notion, and so many of them as well. Another area is digital transformation strategies. If you know about automation, right? You should know about CRM tools, about automation, CRM tools, and also you should also know about online business skills, right? You should know about whether you can decide to go for online business skills, whether you want to learn how to build and manage your website or creating online courses At this age range, you can do that. Another thing is you should look at cloud computing basics. That's another area. You can choose to go for cloud computing. You learn the basics of cloud computing, whether it's AWS or Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure. Anyone that you feel you are interested in, you can decide to go and settle there. You see, I choose these digital skills for you at that age range simply because you are a professional. Professionals in this age group value skills. They value skills that enhance their current careers or help them transition to tech-related roles. Now, so if you are within the age range of 46 to 60 years, these are the skills that you will look at. 46 to 60 years, because they are older adults. Number one of the skills is social media management for businesses, because at that age, some of you already have businesses, right? So it will be very good if you decide to settle for social media management. You will learn everything it takes to manage a business on social media, right? You now use it to apply to your business and see how you can use it to make your business grow. That's that. Another area is basic digital marketing. In this basic digital marketing, you will learn ads. You should be able to do ads on Facebook. You should be able to do ads on Google. You should be able to do ads on X, right? You should be able to do ads on YouTube, because at this age, normally you may have content online that you want to push out for several people to see. So you should have the knowledge of doing basic digital marketing, that is running ads. So at this age range as well, you can do blogging and vlogging. You can do blogging and vlogging. What is blogging? Blogging is having a website online where you post articles, right? When you write your experiences about life, you write about the things you know about for other people to read it and learn from your experience. So that's blog. But you can decide, it's okay, I don't want to write about it, I want to do a video about it, right? So you record video about it and post on YouTube or any other platform where you can host your videos. So we call that one vlogging. So you can choose to go for blogging and vlogging depending on which one you choose to be. Another area you can choose to go is learning digital payment system and e-commerce. You can choose to learn digital payment system and e-commerce. Another area is basic coding. At this age range, you can learn basic coding, that is Python for beginners. Or also, you can decide to also learn no-code platforms. There are a lot of platforms that you can create. You can do automation. You can do anything you need to do without even writing a code. Good. So another area that you can choose to go within this age range is online collaboration. You should learn online collaboration tools. Online collaboration tools. You should know how to set up Zoom. You should know how to set up Google Meet, right? Microsoft Teams. These are platforms that can help you bring everybody together, because sometimes if you are within this age range, there are possibilities that you already have a business, you already have a startup, you already have a company that is working. So you should have a skill where you can set up a meeting to be able to communicate with all your team members, regardless of the location they are. So you should have the skill of online collaboration tools. So you can go to that area as well and just be perfect in that area. It's a skill that will be very, very contributing, and it's a skill that will help you. And why did I choose all the skills? It's simply because older adults may prefer skills with practical applications for business or personal use, focusing on user-friendly tools, right? So now, the last here, if you are at the range of 60 plus years, right? 60 plus years, that is, I call them seniors. If you're at that range, these are the skills that I would suggest for you to go for. Number one, basic digital literacy. Let's say, okay, you are at that age, you want to go into tech, like you want to take advantage of the possibilities that technology gives to everybody. You can decide to go for basic digital literacy using smartphones, email, and apps. Learn how to use your smartphones first. Learn how to send emails, right? Learn how to download apps into your phone and use the apps. It will help you in productivity. And another area that you can also look at is video communication tools. Video communication tools. I talked about how you will need Zoom, right? Zoom, Google Meet, right? Microsoft Teams. You need to know how to use all these platforms to be able to set up visual meetings to communicate with your friends or your workers wherever they are. Another skill that you will need is online safety, right? You need to learn online safety. It's not every platform that you go and impute information from your credit card, impute your financial information, because they may steal your stuff. You need to learn on every information about online safety so that you don't fall for scammers. There are a lot of scammers out there. So another thing that you need to learn at this age, because you have so many experience, and there are a lot of people that would be ready to learn from your experience. So you should learn storytelling, right? You should learn basic storytelling. Get every information you need to know about telling stories. Yeah, it's actually there are skills. You need to have the skill of storytelling, so that when you tell your stories, it's very interesting to people who will hear, right? Because at that age, you have so many stories to tell. You need to learn the basic of storytelling, right? Another area that you can choose to settle is basic e-commerce. You can learn it as well. Basic e-commerce, that is selling on platforms like Facebook or any other platform that you have interest, right? You can write your experience or any area that you know very well, write it, make it become an ebook, and you sell it online, right? You can dwell on that e-commerce area and make your money and enjoy yourself there. You see why I choose all these areas for you if you are within the age range of 60 plus is because seniors often prefer simpler skills that keep them connected, improve their day-to-day lives, or allow them to share experiences, right? So these are all the skills and the age range that you can take advantage of them. So if I have talked about any age range that you fall into, just watch the video, look at the ones I listed, pick any one that you feel you're interested in, and learn. There's so many resources out there that you can go and learn all these things for free, right? Thank you for watching.